Here I've got BLU VIVO Go, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick apps and notifications, and then scroll down a bit, pick advanced, scroll down one more time, and then go to special app access. And here you'll notice install unknown apps right here. And let me pick, for example, Google Chrome. So if you would like to allow installation of apps from this source, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher. And then you can do the same things, the same operations for any application that you would like to give this permission to. So all you have to do is to click on allow from the source, and then you will be able to install applications from this source. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.